Hello students, welcome to my channel Chemistry Wala Alam. Today I am going to explain about the elements, their symbols, atomic numbers and atomic masses up to 30. So can we start our session? So first one is why we need to write those symbols. What is the use of the symbols? Because in the chemistry every time we are using the that means elements names and compounds. So instead of writing the complete name, just we are writing the symbol. Symbol can be defined as symbol. Symbol can be defined as shorthand notation of an element. Shorthand notation of the element is called a symbol. First of all, these symbols, the term introduced by Berzelius. John Berzelius has introduced the symbols. According to Berzelius, the first letter in the name, in its English name, first letter either English or Latin, because some of the elements we are considering from the Latin name. So first letter it can be taken as a symbol. If the first letter is same, then we can be goes to second letter also. But here the condition is first letter is always capital letter. Always capital letter. Second one is always small letter. Always small letter. Suppose any one of the atom can be take helium and hydrogen can be considered. First hydrogen they are considered because one atom, that means atomic number is 1. So first letter is H. Instead of hydrogen writing H you can be write. But helium is also starting the letter H, but will be goes to the next symbol of helium is He. Okay, so it can be discussed that 1 to 30 elements. First of all, symbol is nothing but shorthand notation of an element is called a symbol. The symbols are introduced by John Berzelius. According to Berzelius, in its English name, first letter is taken as a symbol, and the second letter, if the first letter is same for the any two elements, then we can move to the second letter. The second letter means whatever the which on the letter which is we are going to stress the letter. Okay, so first letter is capital letter, always capital. Second letter will be always small. Okay, right. First one, symbol of the element name, symbol of the element, atomic number and atomic weight. You can be say that. One is name of the element. Name of the element. Second one is the symbol. Next atomic number. Next one atomic weight. Atomic number and atomic weight. Here atomic number is nothing but can be represented by letter Z. Atomic number can be defined as number of protons that is equals to number of electrons. Number of protons that is equals to number of electrons. Because if we consider an atom, exactly center of the atom, a positively denser nucleus is present, that is called nucleus. Nucleus containing the two types of particles, protons and neutrons. Okay, and surrounding of the nucleus, electrons are revolving. Electrons are revolving like how the planets are revolving around the sun. So here atomic number can be defined as, in the two ways you can define, the total number of the protons inside the nucleus or total number of electrons outside the nucleus in an atom. That is called atomic number. Next one is mass number or atomic weight. Mass number or atomic weight. or atomic weight, that can be defined as represented by letter A, that equals to total number of the protons and neutrons, total number of the protons and neutrons, or sum of the protons and neutrons, or total number of nucleons. Nucleons are nothing but the fundamental particles which are present in the nucleus are called nucleons. That means protons and neutrons we can be considered. Here mass number is equals to number of protons is equals to atomic number plus n. Here number of neutrons you can be find by using this formula, n equals to, by sending letter that side you can be find that n is equals to a minus z. N is the number of neutrons. Right, you can start the first name of the element, symbol, atomic number and atomic weight. First element is hydrogen. Name of the element is hydrogen. The symbol of the hydrogen is H. Atomic number is 1. Atomic weight also 1. 1.008 will be take, but rounded value will be considered. That's what we will be take, that rounded value is 1. Okay. First, why only hydrogen has to be considered? Because it containing only 1 electron, 1 proton. That's why atomic number is 1. Next one, second one is helium. Symbol is He. Atomic number is 2. Atomic weight is 4. Next one is lithium. Lithium, capital letter L, I. Atomic number 3. Atomic weight 7. Next one, beryllium. Beryllium, Be. Atomic number 4. Atomic weight 9. Next, boron, B. Atomic number 5. Atomic weight 11. Okay. Next to carbon, letter symbol is C. Atomic number 6. Atomic weight is 12. Nitrogen. Nitrogen, atomic the symbol of the element is N. Atomic number 7. Atomic weight is 14. Next to oxygen. Oxygen, symbol is O. Atomic number 8. Atomic weight 16. Fluorine, FLUO, or somebody are doing the mistake here, FLOU, you will write fluorine, symbol F. Atomic number 9. Atomic weight 19. Next to neon, NE. Atomic number 10. Atomic weight 20. Atomic weight 20. So let's see once again. Hydrogen, symbol H. Atomic number 1. Mass number is, or atomic weight 1. Helium, He2 4. Lithium, beryllium, Be4 9. Next, boron 5 11. Carbon 6 12. Nitrogen N 7 14. Oxygen O 8 16. Fluorine F 9 19. Neon 10 20. Here you can be observed some of the elements are having the atomic weight is double, exactly double. In the odd number series, double plus 1, but not all the case this is. So once you can be observed here, helium exactly double. Okay, carbon 12, oxygen 16, neon 20. Okay, next in the case, in the odd even number exactly double, but even number 3 7 and 3 7, and here 5 11, here 9 19, but not all the case. Here even nitrogen 7 but 14, here even number but here getting double plus 1, hydrogen is 1. Okay, how to remember this all. Next one is 11th element, that is the sodium. 11th element, sodium, symbol is Na. Sodium, yes, here N. Why it is? Because it has a Latin name that is the natrium. Natrium, that's what Na. Okay, atomic number 11, that is indicates that 11 electrons, 11 protons, mass atomic weight 23. Next to magnesium. Magnesium Mg, atomic number 12, mass atomic weight 24. Aluminium Al 13, 27. Silicon Si 14, 28. Phosphorus P 15, 31. Sulfur S 16, 32. Chlorine, okay, here chlorine is 35.5. Next one, argon Ar, atomic number 18, 40. Potassium K 19, 39. Here potassium also having the Latin name, so that is the Kalium. Potassium Latin name is Kalium. Okay, now next one is calcium. Ca, atomic number 20, atomic mass or atomic weight 40. Okay, sodium Latin name is natrium, Na 11, 23. Magnesium 12, 24. Aluminum 13, 27. Silicon 14, 28. Phosphorus P 15, 31. Sulfur 16, 32. Chlorine Cl 17, 35.5. Argon Ar 18, 40. Potassium Latin name is Kalium, that's what symbol is K, and atomic number 19, mass number atomic weight 39. Calcium Ca 20, 40. Here why regard the fractional value? Here within 30 elements, of course remaining also will be present, but here the isotopes, based on the isotopes, the value we are getting nearly exact, nearly 35.5. that's what we are considering. Next one is 21, scandium. Sc, atomic number 21, 45. Titanium Ti 22, 48. Vanadium V 23, 51. Chromium Cr 24, 52. Manganese Mn 25, 55. Iron Fe 26, 56. Here iron also having the Latin name, that is the ferrum. So iron is having the Latin name, that is the ferrum. Okay, that's what its symbol is Fe. Okay, cobalt Co 27, 59. Nickel Ni 28, 59. Copper Cu 29, here 63.5. Zinc, here copper also having the Latin name, that is the cuprum. Zinc Zn, atomic number 30, mass number atomic weight 65. Okay, scandium Sc 21, 45. Titanium Ti 22, 48. vanadium V2351, chromium Cr2452, manganese Mn2555, iron Latin name is ferrum Fe2656, cobalt C small o 2759, nickel Ni2859, copper Latin name is cuprum and symbol is Cu2963.5, zinc Zn3065. So these are the elements up to 30 elements, symbol, atomic number, mass number. Okay, thank you.